it's bad, but I can't help myself. When I feel sad, I escape from my sense. Lately music's been my reminiscence. That's when I listen. I know it's bad that I can't help myself. When I get mad, I set fire to the hell. The only way to keep it at a distance.
Hello and welcome back, I'm Sean, and today I'm checking out a pretty cool IEM from Hidizs, and I think you might love it too. So let's check it out. So starting with what I love about this IEM is its sound quality, and when paired with great audio source and a good DAP, these earbuds definitely sound really good. We'll go into more details shortly, but this is a very well balanced signature that I think many would enjoy. Secondly, for an in-ear monitor, this earbud does give off a little bit of a wider soundstage than usual. It doesn't have a cramped feeling you normally get with IEMs, not crazy wide like open backs, but good enough to not feel like it's in your head. So the design of the earbuds is also very unique, and Hidizs says that the design inspiration here is from the immortal jellyfish, the Turris dorni, if I didn't butcher the name, which looks kind of scary. Fortunately, it translates to a beautiful design here. So the specs on the earbuds is also great, coming in a very low distortion with a THD or total harmonic distortion of less than 0.3%, and in most day-to-day use, you're not going to notice any distortion. And I also like the materials that you get with these earbuds, and everything that you see here with this earbud is made of a beautiful and smooth CNC aluminum alloy body, combining quality as well as lightweight. And with that said, when you purchase these earbuds, you also get the option to choose between different jacks for your earbuds, whether you want a 3.5mm jack or a 4.4 balance jack that I have here, and Hidizs got you covered with both. So Hidizs also say that this is the smallest 91% pure magnesium M-shaped 12mm dome driver. While although 12mm isn't hard to fit in an enclosure like this, I think perhaps pure magnesium headphones are usually huge, so this is great that we have it in a small package. Alright, so I have two areas specifically that I think could be better, and that's pretty much it. First, if you are a heavy bass head, this IEM is probably not for you. What you get here is a balanced high-res type of bass performance and not deep thumping, rumbling type of bass. Secondly, the cables here is nice. It's a high purity oxygen-free copper silver combo cable, and I wish that this cable could be a thicker gauge, since this one that you get here is pretty thin. So not that it's a bad thing, but a thicker gauge would be nicer. Also on the cables, I hope that there will be a digital Type-C version to choose from, perhaps with a built-in DAC, perhaps with a built-in DAC, since many people now use their phones to listen to music, and most phones don't come with headphone jacks anymore. So price-wise, this IEM comes in a retail price of $199 US, but since this is on Kickstarter, you're going to be able to see a whole bunch of deals, so definitely check them out and see what is on offer. So if you find value in what you hear and like what you see so far, do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can pick this up, and if you want to buy these IEMs, do check out my links below. So let's talk about the sound signature you get with the MK12 Turris. First off, these earbuds are rated at 32 ohms, so it's not difficult to power and you don't need special amps to run them. Alright, so now starting with the bass performance of these earbuds, just to not disappoint bass heads who bought these earbuds, this is not an earbuds with heavy rumbling thumping bass, so you're going to get a very gentle bass thump. In all essence, it's a good high quality bass render and just really clean. So sub bass wise, for instance, those in Daft Punk's Doing It Right, it's got the sound of the sub bass generated nicely, but definitely not the rumbling deep sub bass note. So mid bass is also decent, giving you sufficient dynamics to your sound to make it not sound weird and flat. When it comes to the mid vocals, this earbuds doesn't disappoint, and you get a very central plane right smack in the middle with no hint of being recessed, which would make your vocals a bit muffled, and not forward that it slowly becomes hollow. It starts at the middle plane, and listening to it sounds like the vocalist is standing right next to the drummer, because I hear the prominence of the drums on the same plane as the vocals. So high here is slightly set back, not in a bad way. It's still a very clean and sparkly highs. It's just a tad bit recessed as compared to the mid vocals. Good in that sense, since you now get to focus a lot more on the clarity of heavy vocals track. Overall, I think if you have a good source of music to start with, this IEM doesn't disappoint at all. Very enjoyable, but if you want to add some color to your audio, just plug it into your favorite DAC and go to town with it. So design-wise, you're going to get a very beautiful earbuds, with this design inspired by the scary immortal jellyfish, the Turris dorni. Again, if I didn't butcher it. So you're gonna get 3 color choices to choose from at the time of this review, but I'm not too sure whether this campaign will have more colors, but you do get an ocean blue, a classic black, as well as a gunmetal gray. Although this earbuds is considered lightweight for most IEMs, especially compared to larger audiophile headphones, they still have some weight to it, which in a good way because they really feel high quality in the hands. They come in about 19 grams per side, which isn't a lot, but feels substantial in the hand. The whole earbuds that you get here is made of aluminum alloy, very beautiful, kind of have this uni body design. You plug in the IEMs in using the standard 0.78 2-pin plug at the top here. And here you also get the Hidizs MK12 branding as well as the left and right indicator. At the tip here, you're gonna get a beautiful rose gold metal ear guides which are tunable, and you get 3 of them to play with in the box. Ear tips wise, at least for mine, it comes with Hidizs Sea Anemone ear tips that looks really great. They're comfortable to wear and very high quality as well. It also has a bigger hole at the front compared to the standard ear tips of the MK12. Cable wise, you're getting a 1.2 meters long cable combining a high purity oxygen free copper and silver plated cables twisted all together. I think this is a nice cable, but I just wish that it could be higher gauge. And again, at the end, you're gonna get the option to choose between a standard single-ended 3.5mm jack or a balanced 4.4mm jack that I have here. So what do you think about this IEM? Are these something that you would love to use for your day-to-day? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want the best deals on these earbuds right now, definitely check out the Kickstarter link for more details. And if you want to also check out a list of great Hidizs products that I've reviewed before, click right over here at this playlist and I'll see you over at those videos.